Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cat. It's going to be a very, very, very simple cat design, okay? There's many ways to design a cat. I know you thought I was going to say many different ways to skin a cat, right? But no, to draw a cat. And yeah, there's going to be a playlist, so go check that out. So let's get started. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a circle for the head. Just like a basic circle, nothing wild. Line up over here. It's like you're drawing like a devil horn or something, but it's not. It's going to be like a kind of just a way to draw the cat's ear. Kind of a bean shape here for the eye. Same thing on the other side, on the other eye. Line out. We're going to draw 3 lines out, right, for the whiskers. Line over here. Circle for the body. We'll line out over here. And right here we're going to draw a line here for the feet. Like so, like it's just standing up there. I'm going to draw an S curve over there for the tail. And that's it. Very, very, very simple. This is probably one of the shortest lessons on the whole page, okay? Like I said, if you like this kind of stuff, hit the like button and subscribe. There's gonna be like some short and longer tutorials on this YouTube channel. Also, don't forget, check out the main website at sketchingeasy.com. There's a beginner drawing lesson over there. If you've never drawn in your whole life, go check that out. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next time.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.